to my channel, guys. If you're new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I've never thought I would talk about in my channel. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I stopped making videos for 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙎𝑎𝑠, and a reason for that is because they disappeared. Like, they literally disappeared. So I'm going to start from the beginning. So they did come to me like a year and a half ago, almost 2 years, to become an affiliate, and I would get commission from the link that they gave me. So if you would sign up with my link, I would get, I think, 10% of commission. But I never even cashed out, because you're not able to cash out until you reach $50, because it's cashing out in amounts of $50, and I didn't even reach $50. Okay, voice over Blanca here. So now that I think about it, I probably was able to cash out, but if they were being this shady, then they probably didn't want me to know that I could cash out, so they probably weren't updating the account or whatever. I wouldn't doubt that they were, but I don't know. Maybe I really didn't reach enough to cash out, but it's a possibility that they didn't want me to cash out if they were being this shady. But as I was saying, it was just the thought that came to my head as I was editing this video, and I didn't say anything when I was originally recording this video, so I thought I'd just throw that in. Okay, back to the video. So I couldn't even cash out, but people were using my link. I just wasn't getting like enough to cash out, so I never cashed out. But the thing is, I really liked doing videos for them because I generally liked the stuff I would get from them monthly, because it was a new brands that I've never tried. So it was like a new experience for me to try out new brands and try out new products. So that's why I really liked 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙎𝑎𝑠. So when they did what they did, I was like, what the fuck, you know? Going back to November, I got my box, I got billed, and everything was normal. Then December came. They took my money out, but I never received the fucking bag. So first, it started to click when I wasn't getting a tracking email. So I got the email that I took my money out, like I always did, and then they would, a couple days later, they would send me shipping confirmation that the bag was shipped out. I didn't get it. It was almost the end of December, and I didn't get it. So then I started doing my research. I went on their Instagram. These bitches deleted the Instagram. So everything was gone. Like, the Instagram was gone. I went to go to their website. It was also gone. And then I tried to email the customer service email that came with the email of the billing information. And then I did send an email explaining to them that they billed me, but I haven't gotten my bag yet. And I got an email back saying that the sender, or the email that I sent to, didn't exist or whatever. So I was like really pissed. And then so I went on Instagram, and then I typed the hashtag 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙎𝑎𝑠, and then I found out that I wasn't the only one. They did this to basically everyone that had 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙎𝑎𝑠. So they took everyone's money for the month of December, and no one got a bag. And there was other videos out about it, but I didn't really see them because I wanted to make my own video and my own experience with this. So I didn't look into those videos. But, and I'm really disappointed because I know some people that got 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙎𝑎𝑠 because of me. And I'm pretty sure they got billed too and they didn't get a bag. But look how fucking sneaky they are. So in January, okay, so wait, let me back up a little bit. So then I called my bank and I told them what happened. So they told me the only thing I could do is they could deactivate the card that was on the account and then just get a new one. So that's what I did. They deactivated the old card, and I got a new card, and I just had to add the new card everywhere where I was using my card. So that was like a piece of cake. Okay, so then in January, so they didn't bill me in January, and I thought I was probably going to get an email that my payment method wasn't working or anything, and thankfully I didn't. So that means they didn't try to take any money out at all. So then, when did I get this? Oh, so then on the 6th of January, I did get a fucking package from them. excuse my language, but it's just like so stupid. So then I got a package, and I put the date right there on the 6th of January. And so they were based off in Florida. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Like, it's like they basically just gave away what they had left. I did get this liquid lipstick, but look at the packaging. Look how beat up it is. And then look at the mirror. Like, who knows how old this was or where they got this from. Like, I'm not gonna be using this shit, dude. Like, no. No, like, what the fuck are you thinking? Like, you already... We'll keep going. So the next thing that was in here is a baked highlighter by Estela. This one right here. And then this one does look normal, but it does look kind of swatched. Like, I didn't touch or anything, and you guys can see it doesn't look smooth at all. I've gotten these before by them, and it was pretty smooth, and this looks like it was swatched. So, and then I did get another highlighter. This one is by Pretty Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. This one right here. And this one is also a baked highlighter, and this one doesn't look like it was swatched or anything, but then after I received this, I did go back on Instagram and I searched the hashtag again, and apparently they send out the package to a lot of people. So I'm pretty sure they were just trying to get rid of whatever they had left. And yeah, I don't know. So I'm not gonna be using this shit. I'm just probably gonna throw this away. I only saved it for the sake of the video, but I did stumble upon a post, and apparently they've done this before with another monthly subscription, which I'm not sure all the details. If I find a video on it with more details, I'll link it down below in the description box. But I didn't expect this from a brand, especially because I was subscribed with them for over a year. So for them to do this like a year and a half later, like, it's like some bullshit, you know? So I was disappointed, and I'm sorry if anyone got yes or yes because of me, and this happened to you. Like, I didn't mean for this to happen. You just don't know how people are, and it's really disappointing. But I guess that just saves me $60 a month. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys about that, because I know some people have asked me why I stopped doing the yes or yes videos. So I just wanted to let you guys know why. And I'm sorry it took me 4 months to bring it up. It's just I was busy moving and stuff, so I didn't have time to actually sit down and do the video. So I'm doing it now because it's better doing it later than not doing it at all. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm only gonna be sticking to my Ipsy subscription for now. I don't think I'm gonna get another one. I don't know. Ipsy wouldn't do this to me, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time. Bye, guys.